All right, today we're gonna bring our shaving kit right here. If you guys can see it, they give you this is a cover, so it's like a bib. You put it over yourselves in case you don't want to dirty, or you're a professional vendor or you're a professional cutter, barber. This is perfect. Now they do give you the razor blade, if you guys can see it, and the blades included. To open it up, simple. All you got to do is twist the top and it opens up. All right, so the top opens up, if you guys can see that, and you drop in your blade and go ahead and get it ready by tying it down. Shaving cream is included. Pre-shaving oil, this is important. I'm gonna show you guys how to use this. And then aftershave, and of course for your cream, your shaving cream here, all goes in here in the little cup, and of course followed by a nice little soothing little feather. Well, it's not feather, but it's pretty much almost feels like it's hair, pretty much. It's like brush, all right? So you put it in there, you shave it off, get ready to go. So we're gonna put it together, but first, you start out with the oils, all right? Make sure you put this all over your face prior to shaving, making it easier so you won't get any burns or any cuts. This is actually makes it a little easier. They give you a bunch of razors, all right? So we're gonna open this up right now. We're gonna open a brand new one. So we're gonna drop it in the middle. All right, in the middle, and then all you got to do is close it. Once you drop it, close it, and if you guys can see the shave corners, it's ready to go. All right, first step, you don't have anything, make sure you oil your face because you wake up in the morning, you're a little dry. So to make sure you grab the oils, all right? This is important. This is gonna make it a little slippery, so we're gonna squeeze a couple of drops in here. Not too much, just a little bit. If you guys can see, I'm trying to show you guys, so not too much. Doing the critical areas where you start the blade down, make sure you get that first. All right, now that you got that ready, it's time to shave. All right, so we're gonna do a little bit in the bottom, critical parts, a lot of it in here. The places I'm gonna need it most. This is probably the difficult part right here in the bottom. Now, I'm not gonna keep it on. I'm gonna smooth it out and you'll see. So you grab your towel, slowly smooth it out. So you can see it because you need to know where you're gonna be cutting. So you can smooth it out. Make sure that this part touches your chin, all right? If you do it this way, you're gonna cut yourself, and you see all that hair that I just grabbed? Rinse it out so you can see it, and you can see a straight line how I'm doing it. And if you have to throw water, it smooths it out even better. Stop every couple minutes, clean it out, all right? That's very important, all right? And because look, all the hairs that are getting stuck there. Got a lot of hair there. I gotta get rid of it. All right, so we're gonna continue with it. One thing that you gotta make sure you clean this out because then you're gonna get cut. So far, so good. I'm gonna trim it down just a little bit, get it going, and then come back with the aftershave, see how it looks. All right, so we're done pretty much. It's shaved really well. You guys can see the line. I irritate a little bit for a couple minutes, but a warm towel might soothe you on something steamy. But make sure you don't forget the aftershave. And this is gonna go through my head, my face, and this will help soothing. It's smooth, less irritation, of course. So cream. Shake it up, get the most important part of it. Massage it just a little bit. It helps out. The edges of the line, especially where you shaved, inexpensive, very simple. Everything's in a kit, makes a great gift for Christmas or any present that you want to give a man. So that has a beard and shaves just like me, or maybe just to have as an extra precaution. Not only that, take it to go on the travels. Now be cautious. You can't travel with these things on your luggage. So you have to bag it separately. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the video.